Good morning. So I just wanted to talk about this book that my best friend gave me, and I'm not done reading it yet, but it's given me so much inspiration already. I also started listening to the podcast, and the first episode is about fear and how it can stop you in your tracks. I definitely related to it. Taryn and I had to twist our own arms to post our first YouTube video, but it was definitely worth it. Your journey doesn't have to be the best. It doesn't have to be the most exciting to have value in this world. You can do it if you are working on your own creative project. Just jump in, and I know that it's going to be worth it for you.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you were moving to the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of...
Welcome to another foggy edition of Wild Wild Women. So we are out here and we're going to be doing the Alamere Falls Trail today. I've actually never done it before. Sheila done it once, like a long time ago, so we're kind of excited. It is so beautiful.
You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself.
Every guide you read will note that getting to the trail early is essential, but we arrived at the Alamere trailhead in the early afternoon and it was perfect. The early morning hikers were leaving and parking spots were opening up for the newcomers. With the arrival of spring in the bay, it stays light out later, making afternoon hikes much more accessible.
However, the most important part of timing your Alamere Falls hike should be based on the tide table, which we will link below. Although you can see Alamere Falls flow directly into the ocean at high tide, it is not safe to hike at high tide.
It's a 13.8-mile trail out and back without the shortcut. The hike begins in a grove of creaking eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus trees grow incredibly fast and shed their bark quickly, which reveals the beautiful colors beneath of their inner bark. They can live up to 250 years old and have an incredible aroma. Hiking through the smell of eucalyptus trees mixed with the ocean breeze is reason alone to take this hike. From there, the trail opens up into some incredible coastal views. We relished the magic of the fog over the coast. This thick fog is a unique treasure of the Bay Area. If you happen to take this hike on a clear day, you might be able to see the Farallon Islands off the coast.
The trail travels through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest, through the sea of swirly twirly gumdrops. Just kidding, it moves into a cool forest, but it did feel like magic.
Or it could have been spring fever.
Wildflowers were abloom all around us, and the air smelled sweet with their pollen. There are over 1,000 species of plants in this area. Deer, elk, and quail can all be found along the trail with some snails. There are swampy ponds and 4 lakes throughout the hike.
Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started to beating, baby.
It is so beautiful here. You can see the falls. When we finally reached Alamere Falls, we were amazed. Alamere Falls is a rare type of waterfall known as a tide fall. It is one of only 34 waterfalls in the world that flows directly into the ocean, and one of the 2 tide falls of California. This epic waterfall cascades down over a fragile shale cliff onto Alamere Creek Beach. 3 separate cascades fed by Alamere Creek flow upstream of the main Alamere Falls. It is one of the most incredible sights and truly illuminates the magic of Earth's natural wonders. We spent time relaxing by the falls and soaking up its epic beauty.
After a while, we decided to head back. Based on the time, we reluctantly decided to take the shortcut. We would not recommend it, and technically it seems to be contributing to erosion.
Summer nights with you and I never thought I would have felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over yours and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance to 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one, and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started to my feet and babe, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I. Honestly, it's such a
So it's true what they say about the shortcut. You will have to duck under stuff on the trail. So be forewarned, if you're a little tall, it could be an issue.
white lights call to me, illuminate my city. And all I want to do is find a place where it will be so dark I can't see. I'll let the music guide me. I see through silence and follow it to some reality. And now to feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind.
So just as a public notice, watch out for poisonous plants on this trail.
Poison ivy everywhere. I feel like it follows us, Jalen, because the last hiking trip we did, there was poison oak everywhere.
This is true.
Yeah, Jalen was like, watch out for the poison oak. I like stepped right in it. Luckily, I didn't get it. I don't know how that didn't happen.
I know. Magic.
Definitely magic. Some Hoyt's Creek magic.
Yes. Thank you, Earth, for taking care of us.
As always.
Yes.
I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise never turns to black and white. Let's make time tomorrow for doing nothing. I'm just gonna say.
So how I know Taryn is hungry and actually probably thirsty is she continuously is talking about mango.
I can't stop. I'm so hungry.
Can't stop, won't stop.
We didn't pack any snacks this time. I'm starving. So I've been craving mango, probably because I'm thirsty, and hungry together. I'm like, oh, mango smoothie, green mango smoothie.
This is how it's going on the way back.
Yeah, let's talk about all the food I want to eat.
Yesterday and all the days light illuminates. The neon shades alleviate the grace.
Wild Wild Women! Woo! Let's go!
back to the car felt invigorating after our journey out to the falls. We hope this video inspires you to take an adventure of your own or just spend some time relaxing in nature. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our channel to support us.